Jen and Gareth here, and we're getting off the ship today in Kahului, Maui. And that ship, of course, is the Emerald Princess. Emerald Princess. And Kahului, Maui is, of course, in Hawaii. So first of all, you walk through this terminal building. It's a little rainy today, off and on, overcast, but warm. Yeah, so it's humid, right? Of course, Princess does the little water, and they usually do the frozen washcloths, but I don't see that. Anyway, we're going to walk to the nearest beach to the ship, nearest beach to the dock here, and that is Hoaloha Beach. You can actually see it from our cabin. It's less than a mile walk. So join us. Welcome to Maui. Most of the walk is going to be in the port. We've got a narrow passageway with, fence on each side. There are restrooms there though. It's only going to take us maybe 10-15 minutes to walk there. And it's all level. Like I say, most of it is going to look like this. Right? We're going to go off in the distance there. You can see people coming back to the ship. We've gotten a little ways. And they're going to check your government issued ID there. So don't forget your passport or your driver's license or whatever. And you can sometimes pick up a cab right here, but we're walking, so we're going to walk this way. So Kahului is a busy shipping port. It's the main port for the island of Maui. And this is what I was talking about. We're going to do about a quarter mile of this fence on either side. They do have some areas though. Notice it gets really narrow. And no jaywalking. Don't know how you jaywalk in this tunnel, but don't do it. Don't do it. There's a fine. Of course, there's puddles everywhere because it's been raining for a week here. So you can wait for people to go around.
Hello.
It's like a one-way bridge. Hi.
Hello. Enjoy.
Thank you. So, big banyan tree there. We're going to still do the fence tunnel, right? Passenger and crew entrance only. Pedestrian walkway. See, I guess sometimes you get let out there. We're going to go a little further. We can still not see the ship. Well, I see a light at the end of the tunnel. And another person checking IDs. So they check them like 3 times. This is not where we came out before. Last time we were here.
Thank you.
I think we came out of the other one with the banyan tree. But anyway, that's the main road. It's like the main highway, Kahumanu Avenue. And there's some shops there if you need auto parts, but there's also a Longstrugs, World, Whole Foods. Some people wearing green. It's St. Patrick's Day. That's green for me. Shannon's got a lot of green on. I'm going to push the button here. We've walked a little less than half a mile. So, to here. We're just going to wait for the lights to change. If we cross the street, there's a sidewalk over on that side of the street. Over here, it's just a path. Could be muddy, could be grassy. Pretty solid though. Right there at that intersection, if you go left, that's the port gates. We're going to continue on. There's palm trees, not much breeze. It's very humid. Warm, but still no rain, at least right now. It rained all morning. Of course, Kahului's 8 miles down the road. We're here March 17th, 2026, after the storms. So things are pretty tore up on Maui right now. This is Momona Bakery and Coffee Shop. You might want to stop there, get some food. Another shopping center across the street, and we're going to cross the street. There's the coffee shop, bakery, First Hawaiian Bank, and right over here is the entrance to the beach, Hoaloha Park. Now we've gone about 7/10 of a mile. We're going to cut across the grass here. And the beach is on the other side of those two buildings. This is also a, rowing clubs, canoe clubs. Well, we came from that street there and we cut across the grass. Some of it's paved. I guess you could walk in on that road. Right there. At least I'd take the shortcut through the parking lot. They do have some bathrooms here, but they're private. For the canoe club. Hawaiian Canoe Club, and of course private property, Hawaiian Canoe Club members only. There is showers though, and I'm guessing they're public. And chickens. You gotta have your chickens. And of course canoes. And they have a lot of them. And one of these. Hydrofoil, I would call it. And another one. You can just walk right down here. We got the beach. And it's a long stretch of beach. And that is 3/4 of a mile to right here. 3/4 of a mile. Of course, you got the Emerald Princess in the distance. Coconut floating in the water. And that's how to get to the beach, Hoaloha Beach, in Maui from the ship. Kahului, Maui, to Hoaloha Beach, in 3/4 of a mile. So I'm Gareth, and over there is Janet. We'll see you in the next port. Bye. So we found the end of the beach. It's right here. In fact, that's the highway going by up there. If you could see it, Iao Valley is up there. Haleakala is over there. The road to Han is over there.
And the ship is there.
Yeah.